dudes. We are on a 2021 Aprilia Tuono V4 factory. And we're gonna rip up some roads. See if we can find any riders out. Probably won't be able to see too many. It's like Tuesday morning. We got the fancy tires on today. We got the good boys. See that? Yep. Front and rear. First time ever riding with slicks, so we'll see how it goes. Want to keep them warm. Watch out for water and dirt like that. Is very quick. It's got like 5 more horsepower than my Tuono, my 2015, but it's also just so much smoother. I'll show you dudes just how smooth it is. We'll do a couple wheelies. So much easier to hold a wheelie on this bike. So crazy. It's so crazy. Man, it's 1100 V4 sounds so good. So fast. I got the 360 cam on, but a little nervous, like I always am, with that out back behind the bike, especially because these slicks just grab rocks and throw them. So I won't be surprised if my lens cover's cracked by the end of this ride. Ready for some wheelies, dudes? Make me feel like I'm the only one in the world. I gotta put the selfie stick down though, so I don't scrape the 360, the ends of 360 on the ground. Very smooth. Like I can't do this on my Tuono. Get it all the way back there. My traction control started freaking out. Not really sure how to turn that off. Oh, just like that. Bam. We got all electronic aids off. No ABS, no wheelie control, no traction control. We are just sending it. Let's see if this person yields for me. Sure are. It's still a hard bike to wheelie. This thing's 1100 cc's. But man, is it easier than my Tuono. has so much torque. I shifted in the third gear, still going like kind of slow. And like normally I shift in the third gear and the bike just drops my Tuono. Well, kind of. I mean, I can still stay in it, but there's a big difference. In this one, it just gave it like half throttle and it still came back up. Nuts. Alright, gotta shake the hand out. Getting tired. Bloopers, very good too. Very good. It's a beautiful day out. It's like high 60s right now and it's January. Let's see if we can do a knee knocker. I'm gonna stick this thing out a little bit so my foot don't smack it. Oh yeah, easy. So easy. Wow, this thing's smooth. How you doing back there, little camera? Mostly just film and see if anything interesting happens, but I might just title this video Wheelies. Wheelies on the 2021 Tuono factory. And stoppies. This brake feels strange though. It's like super touchy and then it gets mushy. I wonder if there's some junk on the rotors or something. Cause I don't think it used to be like that. I don't know, dudes. What do you want to talk about? I don't have anything to talk about. Just enjoying this beautiful day. It's a beautiful day off. I'm doing YouTube full time now, dudes. Technically, I am. I quit my job last week, which is why we're riding on a Tuesday morning. Definitely can't afford to do YouTube full time yet. No way. I make like 30 bucks a month, but someday, dude, I'll get paid to ride my motorcycle, and it will be awesome. What's up, friend? That was a Street Fighter'd out Jixer. That's scary. Thank you for doing that. Oh, that guy just blew through that. What's that? Wow, that thing's cool. Is that a Datsun? Oh my gosh, only people crossing the street. Just jaywalk like everyone else. That was cool. Bike, it's so slow. It's just so slow. I hate it. I hate how slow it is. I've gone like Way farther I meant to. Should I turn around? Ah, it'll spit us out up here. We're listening to the GTA Pop FM or something. Pop, non-stop pop. Fire. Let me just squeeze on by here. This is the rhythm of the night. Oh yeah, all night. See, I gotta figure out a better way to mount my Insta. Cause me lowering it every time I want a wheelie just is not it. Man, it just feels so smooth for knee knockers. Crazy. Well, for wheelies in general, but man. Such a fun bike. This might be, if I was to get this bike, this is like a lifetime bike right here. This is a bike to have around to do whatever you want. I mean, you can, the seat's already pretty comfortable. You get a bigger windscreen, saddlebags, bam, touring bike. We already know it's a track champ. Super fun on the tracks and twisty roads, and it can wheelie very well, very smooth, and it does that while looking absolutely gorgeous. Such a smooth bike. You can pass all three.